Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 only works when plugged in, it suggests a problem with the battery or charging system. This issue often occurs due to battery wear or a malfunctioning charging port. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, making your vacuum cleaner entirely inoperable. To repair your Dyson V10, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a new battery, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V10 is unplugged. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry open the casing around the handle. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once the casing is open, locate the battery, which is typically situated near the base of the handle. You'll notice it is held in place by a couple of screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws. Be careful not to strip them, as they can be quite tight. After removing the screws, gently pull the battery out. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from the connectors. Before installing the new battery, it's advisable to clean the connectors with isopropyl alcohol to ensure a good connection. Now, take your new battery and firmly insert it into the compartment. Make sure it fits snugly without forcing it. Reattach the screws you removed earlier, applying moderate force to secure the battery in place. It's crucial to ensure that no wires are pinched during this process. Once the battery is secured, carefully reassemble the casing, ensuring all clips snap back into place. Before testing, double-check that everything is correctly aligned and secured. Plug in your Dyson V10 and give it a moment to charge. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you do not leave your Dyson V10 plugged in for extended periods after it has fully charged. Regularly clean the charging port to remove any dust or debris that could interfere with the connection. Additionally, consider replacing the battery every couple of years, depending on usage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.